case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The 1984 Supreme Court case of California, People v. Olsen, centered on the controversial issue of reasonable age mistake as a defense in statutory rape cases. This high-profile case shone a harsh light on the legislative response to safeguarding children from lewd and lascivious acts, leading to the imposition of strict liability. The victim, a 13-year-old girl named Sean, was at the heart of the case. Sean was staying in her parents' trailer nestled on their front yard when the incident occurred. She testified that the defendant, Olsen, and another man named Garcia illegally entered the trailer and raped her. However, Olsen put forth a contrary argument. He maintained that Sean had given her consent to the sexual intercourse with both himself and Garcia. He stated that Sean had professed to be 16, the legal age of consent in California at the time. Moreover, he insisted that she even looked older than 16. The details of the night in question were harrowing. Sean was awoken by Olsen knocking on the window of the trailer. She didn't respond, and he left, only for Garcia to show up shortly thereafter. Again, she remained silent, while he left after failing to gain access. Appearing a third time, Olsen attempted to gain entry before finally leaving. Falling asleep, Sean was again awoken by the sound of barking dogs, only to find Garcia holding a knife and covering her mouth. The terrifying scene escalated with Garcia's call for Olsen to join him in the trailer. Garcia threatened Sean with a knife while Olsen held it to her neck, the ordeal ending only when Garcia put the knife away at Sean's plea. Despite the dramatic testimonies and arguments presented, the court ruled in favor of the legislature's intent to protect children from such heinous acts. They declared that a reasonable age mistake was not a valid defense in statutory rape cases. It held that the law imposes strict liability in such matter with harsh penalties to serve as a deterrent. In this regard, the defendant's awareness or lack thereof of the victim being under 14 was irrelevant. All that was required was the act of lewd conduct with a child under 14, a fact that was undeniably proven in this case. This clear stance by the court served to underscore California's commitment to the protection of its vulnerable young population.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.